Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review another shoe pad. So I have had a couple of those in the channel so far, and this is a new one which I received. Let's have a look. So it can fit to pretty much any type of shoes, which is interesting because the previous ones, they were not supporting, for example, the dress shoes or the basketball shoes, or hiking shoes, because they're a little bit more tough. So this one sort of supported. This product is designed to alleviate discomfort and is not medical prescriptions. Okay, fine. So this is just for the comfortation. Remove, line up and trace, trim and enjoy. Fine. Sounds easy. Let's open it up. Well, this is how it looks like. Pretty nice, I would say. Not the best design I have seen, so we have had some better ones in the channel so far, but pretty strong and stable, I would say. Really nice. Looks pretty good, I would say. Very stable, and it's composed of a couple of different layers. So if I compare it with the previous ones which we have had, I think the previous one, which was, if you remember, quite colorful, that one was a little bit better. If you have not watched it, please go to the channel and check it out. So that one was really nice design, and in fact it was different material. So this one is pretty much the same thing. So just the bottom is like a hard plastic or foam, whatever it is, and the other side is pretty simple foam. Could be that this one is just for the comfort purposes, I'm not really sure, but it doesn't have any extra protection, I would say, in here. It's some sort of soft plastic in here, but still could be a little bit better, I would say. I would give it a 3 out of 5 just by looking at it. Perhaps I will have to use it to check it a little bit better. Another thing which is important to notice is actually they don't come with a specific size. They are like XL, L, M and S. So, and as it's written here, so you can actually cut them. But the problem is when you cut them, it just doesn't fit to the other shoe which you may have. Well, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. If you have any products which you would like me to test, just let me know. I'm happy to do so. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video, and until then, take care and bye bye.